Sticky situation with your Barclays app showing error code Rp156. Let's get you back to seamless banking in no time. Often, this stubborn error points to a simple network hiccup first. Let's check your internet connection if you're on Wi-Fi. Try turning it off and then back on again if you're using mobile data. Consider switching to Wi-Fi if available, or vice versa. A stable connection is key for the app to communicate with Barclays systems. Outdated app versions can cause all sorts of gremlins. Head over to your device's App Store, that's the Google Play Store on Android, or the App Store on iPhone. Search for the Barclays app, and see if there's an update available. If there is, tap Update, and let it install. Fresh software often squashes these pesky bugs. If the first two steps didn't do the trick, we can try clearing the app's temporary data, often called cache on Android. Go to your phone settings, find Apps or Applications, locate the Barclays app, and then tap on Storage. You'll see options for Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start with Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, then try Clear Data. This will log you out of the app, so have your login details ready. As a last resort, we might need to completely remove and then reinstall the Barclays app. Go ahead and uninstall it from your device then. Just like with updating, head back to your App Store, search for Barclays, and install it fresh. This usually sorts out any deeper-rooted issues. And there you have it. Most of the time, one of these steps will get your Barclays app back up and running smoothly. If you're still facing issues, it's always a good idea to contact Barclays support directly. Happy banking!